Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another video today. Now it's not much of a video, but I am hungry, okay? And I am in the mood for a smoothie because I am not that hungry, but I can use something to keep me over until dinner time. But this smoothie is also a protein-filled smoothie, which is going to give you that energy if you're working out. So you can also use this as a pre and post-workout smoothie, which is going to hold you over really good on your workout, and also, you know, so that you're not burning off all that protein. But yeah, so let me show you my smoothie that I want to make today. So in my midday smoothie, I need something that's going to hold me over till dinner time. So today I'm going to be using my NutriBullet, but you can also use your blender. A blender is definitely welcome in this for this video. All right. So what I'm going to do is, all right, I'm going to put 1 cup of almond milk. Okay, I like this. And this one is the unsweetened vanilla. So we're just going to put that inside our smoothie cup. Okay, now on top of that, I also have a handful of kale, okay, and also a handful of spinach that I just finished washing. So I'm going to pop that into my smoothie cup as well. That's why I said it's a full blender is definitely welcome. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is, since my smoothie cup is small, I just want to blend this down so I have more room to put my other ingredients in it, okay? So I'm just going to blend this down real quick. Alrighty. Now we have room. Wonderful. Okay. So next I'm just going to pop in my green apples. Alright, I just finished washing and decoring the apple. Alright, and I'm also going to put in my banana. Now please excuse the color on the outside, but the inside is what matters. This is a nicely sweetened banana. And usually you just put half in there, but I am hungry, okay? I'm going to put the whole banana inside my smoothie. Next, I'm going to be using my Chobani yogurt. And this is the strawberry Greek yogurt. I've never had this one, but I figured, you know what, I'm having a fruity type of smoothie, so this is perfect. So I'm going to just take 2 tablespoons full of yogurt. And I'm also going to add in my flaxseed. So I'm going to do, well, you know what? 2 teaspoons of my flax seeds. I'm also going to add in my chia seeds, and I'm only going to put 1 teaspoon of my chia seeds. Now, definitely have to have my protein, so I'm going to be adding in my Superfoods by LiveFit, my protein blend. This is a plant-based protein powder, and it has a scoop inside of it already. So I'm going to put 2 scoops of my protein powder in there. And lastly, I'm going to put my maca powder in there. Okay, maca powder is wonderful for building muscles. Also, you got to be careful with maca powder because maca powder will also get you fertile. Alright, so if you're not trying to have babies, be careful with this maca powder. Alright, so I put about 1 teaspoon in there. It wasn't a full one, so I ended up adding 2. And now we're just going to blend this up. Alright, and I got my favorite mug, well, one of my favorite mugs. Now I normally don't like to add any type of sweetener, but I'm going to check this just to make sure that it has enough sweetness. Okay. Alright, so I taste some sweetness from the banana as well as the apple. And that's it. That's my midday lunch. This girl gotta go. She got things to do. And this is a nice little green smoothie that's filled with so much protein, fiber, okay, antioxidants. So that's it for my midday smoothie, you guys. Filling, okay, it's gonna fill me up. So I mean, smoothies are so easy to make, you guys. There's no reasons why you can't make a smoothie. You can put just about anything in a smoothie. You just gotta pick the vegetables or fruits that you want to add in there. Also, make sure you decide on your liquid base, which will be either your milk base, you know, your milk, or your water or coconut water. Yeah, I like your coconut water does taste good too. I like that taste as well. But I use my almond milk today as my base, my foundation. But you can mix and mingle all the fruits and vegetables, berries that you can think of, and make a nice filled, rich smoothie. All right, something just to snack on, to get you over that midday hump before it's time to eat dinner. All right, so this way you're not starving all day. So this is mine today, y'all. And I'm getting ready to do a wonderful recipe for you guys, so stay tuned for that video. All right, so until the next one, you guys, I shall see you then. Bye.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey guys, this is Velvet Locks back again for a quickie. Okay, this is a quick video, but I get a lot of questions from you guys asking me, girl, what do you eat for lunch? What do you eat in a day? Okay, so here's an example. Sample of what I'm having for my lunch today. Now yesterday, it didn't come out yet, I made some salmon cakes, okay? So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to eat my salmon cakes, and it's so easy, all right? Let me show you what I did.